You get all over. Look at your pants. I told your mom not to bring you nice pants. They get all red and blue all over the place.
Do it again.
Okay, let's see what the yellow one look like. Let me dump some of this out.
Uh-huh.
Okay, try this one. What color is that? Yellow. Say yellow. What color is that one? Yellow. Okay, good boy.
Ouch!
Good. Oh. You're making a mess, man. Here. Here. Oh! You are something else. Telling you. Wow. Oh, these are okay. What color is this one? Oh. What color? Orange. Say orange. Say orange. Okay, good boy. Put up in there.
Oh, where's that? Mom.
There you go. That's good. Hold on. Gotta get a new one. Oh! Oh my gosh, you're making such a mess. Look at you. Oh, never seen such a kid like you making such a mess like that. You are messy, man. No, we got one more. What color is this one? No, what color?
Green.
Green, good boy. That's a good one. Whoop. No, you gotta put it over there. Use a spoon. No, that one goes there. It's already all color.
Oh.
There, good boy.
Cute ass.
Okay, one more to go. Oh! Oh! You are such a quirk. You make a mess. You are everywhere. Heaven help us. Heaven help us.